Hey there, this is Chris from JumpGroove.ca, and I'm going to talk about something that I call visitor path mapping. And it's just a very fancy term for what pages do people need to see before they convert. So we have a page here on our marketing strategy session that we do with everybody. Before anyone becomes a client of ours, we like to talk about you and your business and look through your website and look through your analytics and your marketing and whatever you've got, and figure out where your business sits in the online world and whether or not there's an opportunity for us to create real results. Now, simply saying that on a page doesn't seem to be enough. It's not enough for our visitors to get it and know enough about us to want to give their information away, which I would probably do so myself as well. So what we did was we started looking at, well, how can we drive more traffic to this page? And so we ran a bunch of paid advertising, we drove more traffic, and we simply discovered this page does not work by itself. It needs more. So what we did was we just let it sit for a while until we got a lot of data on the conversions that we were getting. And we saw there was a pattern. There was a certain key number of pages that people who did convert will have seen before they converted. So we did some path mapping. So what we've done is we've linked those three pages together. So this is our Why Hire Us page, and you can get there just by clicking on Why Hire Us. It's a quick, short, simple little page, talks about us, our philosophy, how we think, how we work, and just sort of what we do. It's very short, and it's very simple, and it's not a lot to take in. And you'll notice that there are key headlines that are bolded. And you can actually just read down the page and start at the title of the page and read the bold headlines, and you'd probably understand a little bit of what makes us tick. Then we have the how we work, and we call that out with a fairly big headline, a rock solid process, and there's a button for how we work. And you click on that and you get taken to this page. This page is a lot more chunky. This is definitely the major content piece. It's the meat on the bones. This is an actual walkthrough of our business process or project process when somebody comes in for something like a website. And it really goes through a ton of information. Now, if at any point on our entire website, if they wanted to convert, they could. But in this case, we know that this is the second of our three-step process based on analytics. Let's have a strategy discussion. This is call out number 2. Calls out the phone number if they want to call us right now. And it's got our big Tell Me More button. And guess where that goes? To the page we just first looked at the beginning, which is our marketing session. So what we've done is we've mapped the journey from Why Hire Us to how we work to the marketing session. When we started doing that, we immediately noticed a difference in conversions. We took our paid ad campaigns and we flipped them on their head and we sent traffic to here, the new beginning of the new little micro sales funnel within the website. So take a look at your own website and start thinking about what pages need to be tied together to give the visitor enough information to get all the way through the process. And try tying them together in a logical way that moves them from the first step all the way through to the end until they convert. Then you can start measuring that process. You can see at what point in that funnel are people dropping off, and you can start optimizing those pages through A/B testing or other various means, multivariate testing, to try and keep more paid people moving through that little micro sales funnel within your website. And you can create multiple sales funnels within a website to get different kinds of visitors from different starting points to the end point. Anyway, I hope you learned something from this. If you want to learn more about us, you can go to JumpGroove.ca. And if you wanted to have a strategy session, you know where to find it. Just fill out this form right here, or go to the Why Hire Us page and read more about it in there. Thanks for now, and have a good day.